Today I will be doing the new YouTuber Get to Know Me tag, and the purpose of this is just so that you guys can get to know me a little bit better and get to know what my channel is about a little bit more. And so let's get into the video. So my full name is Sherelle Shante Fernando. Yes, Shante Fernando. I am 24 years old and I was born on February 1st, 1996 to be exact. I am a Bahamian. I was born on the island of New Providence in the city of Nassau. And to all you who don't know, Nassau is the capital of the Bahamas. The Bahamas is made up of 700 islands and keys. So make it a point to visit one of our islands someday. I live here and I haven't even visited all the islands, so you know, visit one of them, help our economy, boost our economy. I'm an external auditor and I work for a public accounting firm. The name of my channel is Relish the Moment. I came up with it randomly and I thought it was cute and fun, and I felt like it just tied in with, you know, the content that I was going to upload on my channel, which would be lifestyle, vlogs, hauls, and you know, I want people to enjoy their life, to cherish the moment. And so relish, people usually call me Rel, and so I was like, okay, cherish, relish the moment. So on this channel I plan to upload vlogs, lifestyle videos, fashion hauls, challenges, pranks, you know, anything to keep you guys entertained, Q&As. So those are just some of the stuff that I plan to do. It's not limited to that. I'll also be doing some unboxings, anything that comes to my mind that I think you guys would be interested in. My favorite color is yellow, but not just any yellow, y'all. I like pale yellow, like a pastel yellow. I really like the neon yellows. It's just too much for me. But y'all ever see yellow on dark skin, chocolate skin? It's a whole mood. It radiates positivity and good vibes, so I like the color yellow, pastel yellow, that is. I like seafood, so that's like conch, mainly conch, like lobster, crawfish, but I also like Italian, so I'd say like pizza, pastas, and then I also like steak, and I love wings. I think I put wings as my number one. Between that and conch salad, I don't know which one has the top position, but hot wings are my favorite. And I'm talking Buffalo Wild Wings, Wingstop, any type of place that sells good wings that are hot. I love it. And shout out to Wing City in Mexico, Alitas. Boy, it was bomb. But yeah, hot wings, I love food that I just mentioned. I'm also a conch salad fanatic. I love conch salad, and I love regular conch salad, but I also like Scotch conch. That's just with the conch and the onions and lots of pepper. My favorite style of clothing, I like professional clothing, business attire. So anything like suits, jackets, blazers, but I also like I guess smart casual. I put that as second in line. My favorite holiday is Christmas. I love Christmas, okay? Like, you could hear me playing Christmas music from like now. I could play it now. It's August and Christmas is just so, it's just the air is different, the atmosphere, you know, the food, music. Christmas just puts me in a good spirit. I'm really into personal growth and self-development. I have like books, a few books on that, magazines, my laptop. You'll find like articles on personal growth and self-development. I'm really interested in that type of stuff. into who I am becoming, and every day just striving to be a better me. I also enjoy swimming. I was a competitive swimmer for about 8 years, and I don't get to swim as much anymore because of obligations, but when I get the chance to, I love the water. Do you feel truly alive? Ooh, I love this question, because I just feel like, you know, like Nicki Minaj song, to live doesn't mean you're alive. Like, I feel that like I'm most alive when I doing something adventurous. Yes, I said it, adventurous. That is, I feel truly alive when I helping and serving others. I am passionate about helping others in my community. Service above self. I'm a Rotaract, and service above self of our mottos. The next question asks, would you rather hear the good news first or hear the bad news first? I like positivity and positive vibes, so I would probably like to hear the bad news first so I could end on a good note. I don't know if you all get what I'm saying. So bad news, then good news, so I could get over that bad and then get to the good part. What is something that I've never done that I've always wanted to do, and why haven't I done it as yet? Something that I've always wanted to do was scuba dive. I've also been thinking about skydiving. Yes, I know, skydiving. I'm still a little bit 50-50 with the skydiving, but I think I know for sure I want to do the scuba diving. I just haven't had the opportunity to do them as yet, and when I get to, I will. TV and ATV riding, parasailing, all of those things I'd love to do someday. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. And hopefully I get to do a Q&A next time, so please send in your questions and I will try to answer them as best as I can. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.